Work plan approval process. First, click on Work Plan icon. Click on the date. Then click on the Create Work Plan option. Then select work type for your work plan. Click on plus icon. Click on Outstation if you are working outstation, or Local if you are working locally. Now click on Contact Place, then type place name, for example Jinnah Hospital. Now click on Visit Shift and select Shift for your work plan. Then click on plus icon under Visit Area, Brick, for brick selection. Here you will see bricks according to your work type. Select your brick and click Done. Click on Add Plan button to save work plan. Now your work plan has been added but not forwarded for approval. You can delete it or modify it before forwarding it. Once work plan is forwarded, you cannot do anything. Click on Forward for Approval button. Now your work plan is forwarded to your reporting manager and it is in pending state. Your reporting manager will review your work plan and can reject or approve your work plan. On Work Plan Rejection. When your work plan is rejected by your reporting manager, you can see red dot appear on date and you can check the reject reason on your plan. Modify the work plan. And forward your work plan again for approval. On Work Plan Approve. Now your work plan has been approved from your reporting manager.